Know that you've been hurt because I have too. And I done some hurt and felt I had to. When your heart is broken, that's a bad drum. And why our favorites always gotta die first. Wishing we could save him, I know God got him. But how I'm supposed to move on, that be my problem. And you speed, and you swerve. You really got no patience, everything get on your nerves. Me, I be forgiven, talking time and time again. Trying to keep on doing right, ask God when I'ma win. When things be going bad, that's when we tend to go to sin. Either that weed or familiar spirits. I know you feel it, don't wanna hear it, but give it to God, cause that's why he here. He might let us fall just to draw us near. He could whisper in your ear and tell you that he got you. Even when you lose yourself, know he ain't forgot you. And he won't ever leave, that's why he the only one that you will ever need. It was torturing in my mind, thoughts was taking over. Now I got that peace, only from Jehovah. That's why you should take some time to get to know him.